welcome back to my channel. For those of you that do not know me, my name is Cynthia. Today I did more of a soft glam Valentine's Day. The other day I posted a full glam, bold glam kind of Valentine's Day look, and I want to just do more softer because that's what I normally do, is just do a softer look for people that don't want to do that big bold glam. So that's what I did in today's video. As you can see, this was the result. I do step by step on how I did my eyeshadow. It's not a full face routine. Yeah, let's get into this video. Grab a snack, sit back, and let's get into this. Alright, to start off with, I already have my face done, and I accidentally got a head start on my eyeshadow. So I will go step by step on what I did for my eyeshadow. I took my Tarte's Clay Play palette, this lovely palette right here. I took the shade Sand and I set my eyelid with that. Sand is a nice nude tone to just set the eyelid with. I did that all over my eyelid, and then I went in with Instinct, this more of a deeper, darker nude color, and I put this in my crease to give my eye some dimension, so that way it didn't look like I had a flat eyelid. It looked like I had a natural crease with it and such. Now I'm going to put this all over my crease and blend it into my lower lash line on the outer corner like I am doing now. And there is some shimmer in this Instinct, but it's not very much. So that'll help give it a little bit more dimension also. And make sure you blend, 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 and just focus this on the crease. Don't apply it all over the lid. Crease only. You hear me? Crease only. And next I am going with my James Charles palette. And I need... oh no. I need a nice shimmery color. Alright, and in this James Charles palette, I'm going with this color right here. It's more of a flat silver gold kind of color. It's right next to this one up here. It's this one right here. Make sure you are using a clean brush. I like to take a round pad and take my brush and clean it off, just in case I didn't get the chance to clean it before, or if there's extra left on the brush. I'm going to start this in my inner corner and work it up. Oh yeah, that's nice. Kitty, get away from that. Ah! Stop it! I have my own like personal heater in my room, and my cat literally sits on top of it, and I'm just waiting for the day for her to burn off her whiskers. Like, since this is such a silver neutral tone color, and it doesn't have very much like other pigments, like it doesn't have very colorful pigments like these ones here, it's not gonna draw away from your lower lash line, where we're going to put that amazing blue color. Now if you want, you can mix it up and do like a bright pink shimmery on top of it, and then do the blue lash line, lower lash line. But I'm going for such a neutral, low, I'm just going for more of a low glam look, just because we all need a low glam look sometimes. We don't need over the top. When you do this, you want to get a fine tip brush and a brush that are very compacted together. And make sure, since you're using such heavy colors, that you want to tap off any excess, because you will get some that will come off and you don't want that going into your eyeball. I feel very like 90s with this right now. I always think to myself, like, I always look silly now, but once I put my like lashes on and my mascara on and put my lip on, it all kind of goes together. So yeah. You look silly now, but you look good at the end. Alright. I would also suggest putting white eyeliner in your waterline, but I don't have any, so I would suggest that to give it an extra like little pop. Slowly getting better with putting lashes on. I have learned that if I wait to put my mascara on after I put my lashes on, I get closer to the lash line and it looks a lot better. Before I was putting mascara on and then my lashes, and there was definitely a gap there. You could obviously tell there was a gap. So I have found that putting my lashes on first and then my mascara, I get better results that way. But for everyone it works different, so alright. Now we wait for our lashes to dry. While we wait for our lashes to dry, I'm sorry, we should do our highlighter real quick and then our lips, and then we'll come back to putting on mascara, so that way we have a nice long dry time. So that way those bad boys are glued on there. Like always, I go in with my Morphe highlighter in Extra. I haven't used any other highlighter besides this one since I've gotten it. Like, I want to hit pan in this. Like, I like this so much. It's so nice. It's so neutral. Oh, and I'm going to pop some blush on too while we are at it. Yeah. That's probably one of the main reasons why I haven't touched another highlighter since I bought this one. Like, this one is like out of this world. Alright, and then for your lips, you can go bold if you want to, but I think since you have such a blue look, you should make it neutral. Keep it neutral, keep it nice and light. I'm gonna go in with what I normally go in with Loyalist number 5 in the Maybelline Stay Matte. I have the burpees. I'm sorry. And then a little bit of blush. I'm going in with Warm Hearted from the Tarte collection. I always like to warm up my nose too, just because it's cold outside. It gives it a nice little frosty look, and it makes it match the season. Time for lashes now. Always, like always, Too Faced better than sex. Until I find a better mascara that does the same stuff, I'm gonna use this one. This is a waterproof one. Alright, and this is going to be the finished look. This is it. This is your more of a soft glam Valentine's Day look. That's what I'm going to call it. You mind? I'm recording. But this is going to be my soft glam Valentine's Day look. very, very soft. It's not bold. It's still like a little bit of sweet, a little bit of sexy, but at the same time it's not full glam. It's enough to make you look cute. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's a video you would like to see, or if you would like me to review a product, or for me to make a look and explain that look as I go along, go ahead, leave me a comment down below and say so. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, give it a good thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that little ring the bell so that way you get notifications when I post. And also, I'd like everyone to keep in mind that I do have a full-time job and this is my hobby on the side, so I don't post and upload as much as I want, especially since I am engaged and we are getting married this October. Yes, this October. We got almost 8 months left to go. I'm super excited, but this is just a side. This is a hobby of mine. This isn't full-time. I do have a full-time job, so I don't get to do this as much as I would like, so I don't post often. Just keep that in mind. I try to post at least once a week. I try to record on the weekends, and other than that, yeah. So I really hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you want to see something in particular, or if you want to just say hi, or whatever the case may be. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day and have an amazing Valentine's Day, and treat yourself. Eat a dessert. Like, do you. Like, enjoy it. Other than that, I'll see you guys later. Bye.